I welcome you all with my love and blessings. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us around the world at this moment in hundreds of places and many places in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, New York, Varanasi, Malaysia, Perni, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, San Jose, Madurai, Charlotte, Srisailam, St. Louis, Tirumala, Ohio, Prayag, Toronto, Kailasam, Sharjah, Seattle, Chidambaram, ICICI, Croatia, Tallahassee, Florida, France, and Netherlands, Dubai, Tirukkovilur, next to Dubai, next to Dubai, Nitya Devi, Singapore, and below. Oh, again, that is also Dubai. Dubai, Jayashree, and then next. Hyderabad, Shri, Netherlands, and Malaysia, Klang, Malaysia, Calgary, Amarnath, Paris, Kalighat, Singapore, Singapuram, Vancouver, Puri, London, Kashi, Atlanta, Ujjaini, Dakota Dunes, Port Washington, New York, Oman, Sivagangai, Mill Valley, and any other city? Above Mill Valley, what is that? Mumbai, Kavyarupini, no, above the Port Washington, New York. Kastau, Croatia, Madrid, Spain. That's it. So I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Before beginning the satsang, today an important inauguration. Nityananda Nirahari's team has created a beautiful website, Be Food Free. Website is ready. We are launching it. I am officially launching the website, Be Food Free, to all of you, to the world. Give a good hand to the Nityananda Nirahari team, worked under Ma Nitya Devi and fulfilled their commitment, honored their commitment. It's an amazing commitment. They took it up and they honored it. I bless you all, Nirahari team, for honoring your commitment. Beautiful. The website name will be www.befoodfree.org. आप सबको शिवरात्रि की इस महाशुभ अवसर पे मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूँ। कृपया ध्यान से सुनिए। I welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of Shivaratri. Today I am talking because I have something really important to talk to all of you. Listen. Listen. Today I am talking to all of you because I have really something important to share with you all. Many of you who are coming to the ashram are listening to me after 3 months. You have a pleasant surprise. If you are coming to the ashram after 3 months, you have a pleasant surprise. The Sangha has become new. If you are listening to me again, you have a pleasant surprise. My teachings have become new. Especially for the devotees who are coming after a gap to listen to me or to attend the satsang, for all of you, I want to introduce 4 important satyas which are enlightening all of us, which we are living to enlighten all of you. ध्यान से सुनिए। 4 tattvas which we are all living to enlighten ourselves and enlighten all of you. Today, I'll once again talk about the 4 tattvas. आज मैं पुनः 4 तत्वों के बारे में बात करूंगा। Integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. ध्यान से सुनिए। Integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. These are the 4 principles. I'll give you a simple introduction to these 4 principles, and I sincerely request whoever considers me as their guru or teacher leader, whatever. I request all my devotees, disciples, followers, visitors, yet to be devotees, every one of you, just apply these four principles in your life. I tell you, this is the greatest gift, nectar we received from Mahakala Bhairava at the time we were about to die. Let me be very honest and authentic. I tell you, if these four tattvas have not been given to us by Mahakala, by Kala Bhairava, I don't think there was any way we would have revived ourselves and rejuvenated ourselves to face anything, and now excited to live. How much ever I try to describe, you will not catch the power of these four satyas unless you yourself live it. Only when you start living it, you will know the power of these four tattvas, four satyas. You may be thinking, whenever I speak about any satyas, any tattvas, this is what I go on saying. Because of that, you may think, as usual, for this also he is giving a build-up. But I tell you, this attack on us never made me tired, made me lose the inspiration. But many of my sannyasis, ashramites, many of my sannyasis and ashramites were really tired, bored, unable to face this constant persecution. I tell you, just this four satya, nectar, the nectar of these four tattvas, amrita of these four tattvas, made all of them just like me. Based on these four tattvas, you can face any problem of your life. इन चार तत्वों के आधार पे आप जीवन का कोई भी समस्या का सामना कर सकता है। ध्यान से सुनिए, इन चार तत्वों के आधार पे आप जीवन का कोई भी समस्या का सामना कर सकते हैं। Today, my Sangha has fulfilled my vision of initiating 100 people into sannyas in one batch. Today 102 took sannyas, Krama Brahmacharya and Naishtika Brahmacharya. Listen, this is a very authentic decisions they all made, because so much thinking through went inside everyone before they took this decision. It is not like earlier, because the whole group is flowing, let me flow, or glamored by my charisma. No. Without me supporting or inspiring, influencing, without me involving myself in any decision making process, ध्यान से सुनिए, without me getting involved in any of the decision making process, they stood just on the strength of Dhamma, these four tattvas. For 20 days, day and night, the whole ashram boiled with just these four tattvas. Just with these four satyas. And everyone emerged with a clear consciousness and understanding, and they declared, I tell you guys, they gave me the courage to give Purna Sannyas. Today, first time I gave Kavi from my hand. And declared, I am responsible for they living as sannyasis, Naishtika Brahmacharis, and Krama Brahmacharis. I took the responsibility. Then just understand what courage they have given me, what strength they demonstrated in their decision, what strength they demonstrate in their life, the strength they demonstrate in their thinking, in their working. I tell you guys, anything, any gift I receive from the cosmos, first I test it on my ashramites. Then I share it with the world. I tell you guys, this is the best thing I've shared with this world. With the world, I've shared so many things, kriyas, yoga, ASP, NSP, many programs, many spiritual wisdom, knowledge, kriyas, techniques, bandhas, mudras, pujas, what not. I have created the forest of knowledge. Still, I am the largest repository of spiritual knowledge in the internet. Beyond controversy. This statement, nobody can create controversy. That is why people want to create controversy around me. Never touch my teachings. Neither they listen nor they want to touch it. Because if they listen, they will be transformed. They are afraid of it. If they touch it, the teachings are so powerful, they will hit at them by themselves. I tell you, many ashramites who really lost all the strength, courage, spirit, inspiration, who wanted to leave the ashram or who wanted to just disappear somewhere or thinking of taking up some other choices of lifestyle. I tell you, at the end of the process of adding these four satyas in their life, in their inner space, emerged, declaring authentically their sannyas and radiating it with so much of excitement. I do not know about you guys. I wanted to give a good hand. So nice to see the whole battalion. Battalion of sannyasis. I tell you, so much has happened to our Sangha. So many beautiful things have happened to our Sangha. This is the best thing. I have tested it on my disciples, on the ashramites. See, as I said, I have created and offered to the world millions of things. And I will continue to create and offer to the world millions of things. But these four tattvas are the best thing. I have given it to my ashramites. So now, today, I am opening all that four tattvas to all of you. This is the best thing I have given to them. Please, I am sharing it with all of you. This is the best thing I can give you guys. You came all the way from different places for Shivaratri to have the darshan. This is the best prasada of Shiva. कृपया पुनः एक बार चार तत्वों के बारे में सुनिए. Once again, please listen to the four tattvas, even if you have heard already. Listen. Integrity. Integrity is you fulfilling the word and thought you give it to yourself and to others and experiencing a state of Purnatva, completion with you and with life. संपूर्ति का अर्थ है आप स्वयं को और अन्य लोगों को दिए हुए विचार एवं वाक्य को पूर्ण करें और स्वयं और जीवन के साथ पूर्णत्व स्थिति का अनुभव करें. Listen. When you listen to this definition, it may look like some philosophy or a word or some definition. But I tell you, start living. It will open your consciousness. It will peel all the unnecessary things from you. It will lead to thousands and thousands of wonderful, amazing gifts. I can tell you, just this one principle can make you immortal. Immortal. Deathless. I am not giving you false hopes. I am not giving you too many big words. I tell you, just this one principle. And I wanted all of you to know, from January 1st, 2013 till today, I have not delayed even one program, one session, even 1 minute late. Even one program, one session, 1 minute late. And my working hours and the quality of my work has drastically increased. Listen. If you know about me, you may know I am a workaholic person. working day and night, even earlier. Now I am saying my working time, quality and quantity has drastically increased. Then understand the power of these principles. केवल संपूर्ति का ये एक सत्य आपको अमर बना सकता है। केवल संपूर्ति का ये एक सत्य आपको अमर बना सकता है। This one truth of integrity can make you immortal. When you start working with this integrity, suddenly you will see so many negative patterns you created for yourself gets weeded out. Many times, before even you start anything new in your life, you strongly believe that you will be failure. When you start with that belief you will be failure, how do you think life can bring you success? Because you are begging, requesting life to give you failure. Naturally life will say tatastu, so be it. Because you give these negative words to you strongly, you attract and experience finally failure. Listen, when you start thinking with integrity, your thinking, your talking, everything will become a conscious process. Conscious process. So much of weeding of negative ideas happens. So much of negativity gets removed just by this one satya, integrity. Just by this one satya, integrity. I tell you, how much ever you hear, it cannot be equated to you trying to pull these tattvas into your life. Digest these tattvas into your life. Next, important principle, authenticity. ध्यान से सुनिए, श्रद्धा. Authenticity means श्रद्धा. श्रद्धावा है जब आप अपनी उच्चतम क्षमता में स्थित हो और जीवन की सभी प्रतिक्रिया करें, उस स्थिति से जो आप स्वयं को स्वयं की दृष्टि में समझते हैं, जो आप स्वयं को अन्य लोगों के सामने प्रस्तुत करते हैं और जो आपसे अन्य लोग अपेक्षा रखते हैं. Authenticity is you being established in the peak of your capability and responding to life from who you perceive yourself to be for yourself, who you project yourself to be for others, and what others expect you to be for them. ध्यान से सुनिए, कृपया पुनः ध्यान से सुनिए. श्रद्धावा है जब आप अपनी उच्चतम क्षमता में स्थित हो और जीवन की सभी प्रतिक्रिया करे, उस स्थिति से जो आप स्वयं को स्वयं की दृष्टि में समझते हैं, जो आप स्वयं को अन्य लोगों के सामने प्रस्तुत करते हैं और जो आपसे अन्य लोग अपेक्षा रखते हैं। What you feel as you and what you project as you and what others feel as you, aligning all these three to the peak possibility is authenticity. What you feel as you, raise it to the peak. What you project as you, raise it to the peak. What others expect from you, fulfill it to the peak. I tell you, authenticity alone makes the space in you where everything is possible. Everything is possible. And everything is possible. Many of my brahmacharis, swamis and swaminis, many of my swamis and swaminis earlier did not have the courage or the confidence or the feeling it is possible even to run their own department, one responsibility. They took it, or which was given to them. Now, with authenticity, not only they are declaring, they are able to run. I can see they are running a PETA, an organization, a branch by their own strength. I tell you, just bring authenticity to your life, in your business, in your relationships, in your health, everywhere you will see the peak. You will see the peak in your business. You will see the peak in your relationships. You will see the peak in your health. Authenticity brings and gives you the state, the space. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. Only when you start living, you will understand how beautiful the space of possibility feels. केवल श्रद्धा ही उच्च स्थिति में आपको लेके जा सकता है. Authenticity alone can make you live all the possibilities of your life. I tell you, I've never felt so much of excitement, so much of energy gushing when I share any other principles than these four. This is unimaginable. The energy I feel, I know I'll make these four alive in every one of you. The power with which I am uttering, I trust that power that is capable of making this as reality into you. Listen. Even when I speak about these four tattvas, so much of excitement I have. If I can, I'll just open your mouth and pour all the four tattvas into you, like a nectar. I am I'm really feeling if I can make a tonic of four tattvas and directly pour it into you, that will be the best thing. They are so beautiful. When you start living, they do so much to you. Only the man who is established in authenticity is living enlightenment. जो मनुष्य श्रद्धा में स्थापित है वही जीवन मुक्त कहलाता है. Each principles infuse a different energy in you all, leading one to the next to the next. The courage of authenticity alone is the true ornament around the neck of a sannyasi. Authenticity, the courage of authenticity is what you are wearing as Kavi or Rudraksha. Courage of authenticity only is the true Rudraksha around the neck of a sannyasi. श्रद्धा का साहस ये एक सन्यासी के कंठ में सच्चा आभूषण है. श्रद्धा का साहस ही एक सन्यासी के कंठ में सच रुद्राक्ष है. Authenticity, the courage of authenticity is the ultimate. ध्यान से सुनिए. Authenticity just multiplies. I don't want to use the word adds. It's too small word. Multiplies your possibilities. I can see in front of my own eyes small broken spirited, beaten, minded, bored, tired, young men and women flowering into Swamis and Swaminis with so much of authenticity. So much of possibility which even I can never imagine. And so much authentically happening inside them. It's almost like the inner guru has awakened in every being. Constantly they have an inner guru who is guiding, inspiring, enriching. The whole thinking mechanism has taken a new shape and new possibility. Authenticity alone can take you to your supreme state. श्रद्धा आपको आपके सर्वोच्च स्थिति में लेके जा सकते हैं. ध्यान से सुनिए. केवल श्रद्धा ही आपको आपके सर्वोच्च स्थिति में लेके जा सकता है. when you decide to stretch yourself to others' anyakara, you do not know the amount of energy expresses through you. Constantly you are made to believe, why should I bother about what others want from me? You don't need to bother. You will live as mom shop, pop shop and die. Life can be lived as a street corner, mom shop, pop shop, or the Walmart chain stores. It can be lived in a soft way, in a corner, micro level or Microsoft level. You want in micro level or Microsoft level, you only have to decide. Without these four principles, you can live micro level. With these four principles, your life can take a quantum jump. ध्यान से सुनिए, लिटरली क्वांटम जंप. केवल श्रद्धा से ही आप अपने आप को एवं अन्य लोगों को लाभान्वित कर सकते हैं. Only with authenticity you can enrich others and yourself. Only when you decide to stretch yourself to the others' expectations about you, you express a new, extraordinary energy in you. What do you think is happening in me? Suddenly, I've started in Hindi. I've decided to stretch myself to the expectations of my devotees. And I can see very clearly so much of energy is happening, so much of excitement is happening, so much is happening. Just yesterday or day before yesterday, all my Swamis and Swaminis took the collective responsibility by next Shivaratri, 1,000 lives will be enriched with sannyas, krama brahmacharya and naishtiya brahmacharya. You will see they will do it. We will do it. You may think, how is this possible? When you live in the space of possibility, it is possible. If you are living in the space of impossible, even grasping this is impossible. Imbibing this is impossible. A power of authenticity, even my laziest brahmacharis and rishis are coming to the yoga and satsang on time without missing. 4:30, everyone is there. Till night 10 o'clock, they are not sleeping. Not only the quantity of the time they are enriching others, even the quality, the way they enrich. Unimaginable transformation. I tell you guys, your life can become totally different just if you live these four principles. I promise heaven on the earth in your life to you guys, just with these four principles. I can give in writing heaven on earth with these four principles. Third, responsibility. Responsibility means living and responding to life from the truth that you are the source of, and therefore you are responsible for all happenings in and around you. ध्यान से सुनिए, कृपया ध्यान से सुनिए। उपायनम का अर्थ है जीवन को इस सत्य के साथ जीना और प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना कि आपके अंदर एवं आपके बाहर सभी तरफ होने वाले सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप स्वयं हैं। सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप स्वयं हैं। Listen. A man who does not take responsibility even for his own actions lives in the animal consciousness. Man who takes responsibility for his own actions live in human consciousness. Man who takes the responsibility even for others' actions lives in divine consciousness, the leadership consciousness, Ishwaratva. When something is bothering you, even if you are not responsible for it, because it is bothering you, take responsibility for it. That's the only way you will sort it out. You will come out of it. You will clear it. ध्यान से सुनिए. So anything, even if you are not cause, because it is affecting you, take responsibility. Only then you become a leader. Responsibility means living and responding to life from the truth that you are the source of, and therefore you are responsible for all happenings in and around you. उपायनम का अर्थ है जीवन को इस सत्य के साथ जीना और प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना कि आपके अंदर एवं आपके बाहर सभी तरफ होने वाले सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप स्वयं हैं। When you feel responsible for more and more things, more and more energy, life oozes in your muscle memory and biomemory. केवल इन चार तत्वों के आधार पे अगर आप अपना जीवन जीते हैं, आप प्रत्यक्ष रूप से स्वर्ग का अनुभव कर सकते हैं। Just by living your life based on these four principles, you can directly experience heaven. I commit with you. Now I can sing just like Upanishadic rishis. Shrunvandu vishve amritasya putraha vedaha megham purusham mahantam. O sons of immortality, I know the path to achieve it. Come on, I am here to share with you all. Shrunvandu vishve amritasya putraha. Listen, O sons of immortality. Vedahameham purusham mahantam. I know the path to the ultimate, achieving immortality. Listen, these four tattvas. These four tattvas is the path. Anything which moves you out of these four tattvas, if I have uttered at any time, I disown all those words now. Anything which helps you to live these four tattvas are only my teachings. The fourth principle, enriching. ध्यान से सुनिए. Enriching is you taking responsibility with integrity and authenticity that you are committed to continuously enriching, which is expanding yourself and life in and around you. आप्यायनम का अर्थ है आप संपूर्ति एवं श्रद्धा के साथ जिम्मेदारी उठाइए कि आप लगातार आप्यायनम या स्वयं का विस्तार और आपके अंदर एवं बाहर के जीवन का विस्तार के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हो. Continuously we ask, why should we enrich others? Why can't we just take care of ourselves? You don't understand. Life happens to you with others. Life does not happen to you in aloneness. You are not sitting in somewhere corner in one forest where you are nowhere related to life, where you don't see anybody, where you eat some fruits from some forest trees, drink the river water. No. Life happens to you with others. Listen. Life happens to you with others. Your life is nothing more than few identities put together. The identity of you being a mother, you being a daughter, you being a brother, you being a sister, you being a boss, you being an employee, you being a husband, you being a wife, you being a student, you being a teacher, just some 10-15 identities put together, that's all. So each identity is fulfilled only by the other person who is involved with that identity. Your mother fulfills you the identity of you being a son or daughter. Your son fulfills you your identity of being father or mother. Your employee fulfills you the identity of your boss, your identity of boss. Your boss fulfills you your identity of being an employee. Your life is connected with others. आपको जीवन अन्य लोगों से जुड़ा हुआ है. So only when you enrich others, life happens to you. Only when you enrich others, life happens to you. Listen, Mahadeva's Damaru is integrity, fire is authenticity, Abhayahasta is responsibility, the hand with which he is holding Devi is enriching. Through the Chaturhastas, is demonstrating these four principles, is demonstrating these four tattvas, is Damaru, sound, integrity, fire, authenticity, purifies everything. Abhayahasta takes the responsibility of the whole universe, and the hasta which holds the Devi is enriching. फिर से सुनिए। महादेव का हाथ में जो डमरू है वह संपूर्ति का प्रतीक है। महादेव के हाथ में जो ज्वाला है वह श्रद्धा का प्रतीक है। महादेव के हाथ में जो अभय हस्त है वह उपायनम या जिम्मेदारी का प्रतीक है। महादेव के गोद में जो देवी बैठी हुई है वो आप्यायनम का प्रतीक है। I tell you, authenticity takes you to the next level of living. Next level of living. This is the nectar. Mahakala gave it to us to enjoy. I am sharing it with you all. Let all of you enjoy this nectar. I can go on and on and on these four principles forever and ever. The whole 21 days of inner awakening, nothing more than these four principles. Making these four principles as your life is what I am doing in the inner awakening. Completion is for you to live these four principles. Everything is for you to live these four principles. So take this as Shiva Prasada. Shiva's Prasada. I'll continue to expand on these four tattvas, four principles in further satsangs every morning. I am already expanding on these four satyas every morning. I sincerely recommend and request all of you to bring these four principles into your life, alive, as you are thinking, as you are feeling, as you are living, as your cognition, as your very being. It does miracles in you. It just does miracles in you. I can tell you, if somebody will practice these four tattvas, if I touch their feet and teach them, I am ready to do it. I am ready to go to any extreme to make somebody live these four principles because they are so powerful. Just understand, I literally request you to apply these four principles in your life as much as you can. Start with as much as you can. Then you will understand. Because even if little is practiced, miracles start happening in your life. Once the miracle starts happening, then nobody can stop you practicing these principles. I can touch anybody's feet and request them, please live these principles, because it does so much good to you. It does so much good to you. Straight away it increases your physical health day one. Mental health the moment you start, hour one. Leadership consciousness starts happening to you the minute you start taking the responsibility. Minute one. Enlightenment starts expressing in you when you start enriching others the second on. Listen, the day one, hour one, minute one, second one. These principles, these tattvas elevates you, makes your life heaven. Of course, today we don't have much time. We have limited time because next we have Shivaratri Puja, then Darshan and bhajans. But I wanted to tell this much. Essence of what I wanted to share with you, the ultimate nectar is these four principles: integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. Just remember these four words and these four principles. Go on, start living. If you want deeper and deeper insights, everyday morning satsang, I am speaking, expanding only on these four principles. Listen to the morning satsang through Nityananda TV. I know in one satsang you cannot grasp all the four satyas completely. Even to each one, I need to conduct a separate programs. How will you grasp all the four in one satsang? आज की सत्संग की सारांश है, केवल इन चार तत्वों को याद कीजिए और अपने जीवन केवल इन चार तत्वों के आधार पे जीने का अभ्यास कीजिए. Remember only these four tattvas and practice living your life. These four tattvas can solve all your problems. Happening, can happen, may happen. Everything can be solved. ध्यान से सुनिए. These four principles are the four Vedas. We need to live not only for enlightenment, even to live and breathe every step of your life becomes extraordinary when you live these four principles. ध्यान से सुनिए. आपके जीवन की हर संभव घटना की सामने कर सकते हैं इन चार तत्वों से. You can face any possible happening of your life just with these four tattvas. I do not want to give you too many words because you will forget the essence. listen. I just wanted to give you these 4 words: integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. This is my message for today's Shivaratri. This is Mahadeva's Prasada.